Chapter 6, Synchronous Video Search and Bookmarks. Continuing our video tutorial on Wisenet WAVE, this video will show you how to use synchronous playback and the bookmark function. Another feature of WAVE is the ability to search video playback from multiple cameras. So using the timeline, we've got our previous layout, the building front that we created earlier. And I can go to a specific time on here, and there I am in the video clip. You can see me walking with another member of staff there, and you'll be able to see me on the other camera as well, from different angles. And there we are, about to cross the road. You can see us crossing the road, and you can see us crossing the road on this camera, and this camera, and this camera. Synchronise playback. So what I will do is I will bookmark that for export. So I'm going to click on the timeline at about 13:01, about 13:02. I'm going to click Mark Selection Start, and we're going to follow through. So as these two gentlemen walk through the scene, we'll allow the video to play back on the timeline until they've crossed the road, showing the correct way to do it, of course, and we'll use that as a demonstration video. And now I can right click and say Mark Selection End, and we'll get a blue bar on the timeline to show marked video. With that marked video, I can now right click and say Add Bookmark. Give it a title. And I can give it a description if I wanted to. And OK. And when I go to the Bookmarks tab, the bookmark is in there. And what I can do with that now is once I click on it, it will take me back to the beginning of the event and play it back again. So you'll see us appear here. I hope that you found this video useful. Please find other chapters in this series that you will find equally useful, and have a great day. Thank you. Goodbye.